Hello everyone, I'm Wajahat from InnoRative, and today I'm gonna show you a trick to remove permanent marker from any surface area using any antiseptic liquid. In my case, I'm using Dettol. So let's begin the test. This is permanent marker as you can see, and now I'm gonna draw something using this marker on this wooden plate. So here's the thing, you cannot remove this with water or any oily substances or detergent as it will leave black shades on the material. Also it can affect the texture of the material. So I will use this antiseptic liquid and you will see the results yourself. After pouring it on the surface, we will leave it for 2 minutes and then we will rub it with any cloth or tissue paper. So let's do this. Now leave it for the 2 minutes and then come back. After 2 minutes, use any tissue paper or cloth to rub and clean the surface. There you go, marks are vanished and it's cleared like before, and also it won't damage your material. You can try it yourself. I hope this video was useful for you. Just subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any future tricks. See you till the next video.